Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, we ended up with a pretty windy day. In fact, these are the peak wind gusts in Corpus Christi. That wind gusted as high as 39 miles an hour, 35 Robstown, Kingsville 37, and we've got more wind on the way tomorrow. Just a reminder, we do have those outdoor burn bans continuing despite the rain we've had in recent weeks. The only counties that are not in the burn ban are Bee, San Patricio, and Aransas, but everywhere else, including Nueces, no outdoor burning is allowed. Right now, temperatures are in the 70s across the area. It's a pretty breezy and mild evening with 83 at Falfurrias, but 76 at Robstown. And you can see in Corpus Christi, we are at 76 degrees. That dew point came up. It's humid out there. We also have some clouds that are going to continue to increase tonight, and that wind still blowing at 21 miles per hour. So if you're heading out this evening, it's going to be pretty comfortable. You don't even need the jacket. Look at these temperatures only dropping to the low 70s by midnight. It's going to be a warm night ahead tonight and tomorrow night. Wind speeds right now are still at 20 miles an hour at Orange Grove, a little lighter as you get toward Port Aransas with 12-mile-an-hour winds, but they'll pick up again tomorrow, and we're looking at 15 to 25 sustained winds tomorrow, and the gust as high as 35. Well, if you don't like the wind, just give it another day. By the time we get into Friday and Saturday, that wind starts to die down, and the calmest day of the weekend looks like it is going to be Sunday. Great to get out and maybe do some fishing or boating or outdoor activities. So for tonight, we're looking at a warm night. Temperatures only dropping into the mid-60s inland, upper 60s coast. Notice we should be in the mid-50s around this time of year, but it's going to stay warm thanks to our southeast wind and that onshore flow, and low clouds move in tonight. Tomorrow, we still have a lot of cloud cover mixed with sunshine, and it's going to be windy and warm. Those temperatures climb. You don't need any coats tomorrow, and into Friday it still looks like we're in for some pretty warm weather, with highs tomorrow reaching anywhere from the lower 80s well inland. Corpus Christi 82, Alice 84, 80 degrees at Ingleside tomorrow, and Rockport hitting 79. So we're in that warm push of air. These are current temperatures across the country. You can see that cooler air though in the west that's going to come in behind this cold front, and that front gradually works its way in. Not a lot of change in this. It still looks like it's coming in late Friday, and it's not going to bring much rain with it. It looks pretty dry, maybe a few showers possible late in the day Friday. So let me show you with Future Track. We're going to start 8 o'clock Friday morning. Again, very mild start to the day and a warm afternoon Friday. But as far as any rain, a couple of showers perhaps developing, but it doesn't look like much out ahead of that front. You can see it's still pretty warm as you're heading into the late afternoon Friday, still in the 70s to low 80s. The cool air starts to filter in during the evening behind the front, but notice for the high school football games this week, it's not too cold. We're in the 60s to near 70 degrees. So it's going to be a mild evening, Friday evening. It looks like it's mainly dry, perhaps a shower or two early on. And then Saturday morning, we start the day at 52. So it will be cooler. Saturday morning, 52, only reaching 70 Saturday. But we have a lot of sunshine this weekend and really nice weather to get outdoors again, especially if you like the mild weather. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. Warmth continues the next 2 days. Slight shower chance late in the day Friday and early Friday evening. Saturday, abundant sunshine, a cool morning, mild afternoons. The warm weather returns early next week before our next cold front. That doesn't come in until Tuesday night, but it does cool us down. Maybe a few showers with that, not much moisture. And then Wednesday, we're back to 70.